I'm Natalie and I'm going to show you how to grow and care for a philodendron. If you're not great at keeping plants alive, then this one is for you. The philodendron has an exotic flower and it is purely an indoor plant. They are very low maintenance and they can sit idle for long periods. You can train them to grow up a trellis or simply leave them to their own devices. To care for your philodendron, you will need a watering can, some gloves, some slow release fertilizer and a spray bottle with water in it. Like many indoor plants, the philodendron originates in the tropics. That means they really like warmth, bright light and moisture. Philodendrons like a rich, loose potting mix that drains well but still high in organic matter. They can also grow in 100% sphagnum peat moss. Make sure you keep the soil moist at all times. If your leaves are drooping, it could mean either too much or not enough water, so assess how often you're watering and figure it out from there. The philodendron loves humidity, so to maintain it, you can use a self-watering pot like this one I got from Bunnings. The bottom part of this pot actually detaches, so you can control the amount of moisture and humidity that gets absorbed back into the plant. Another way to maintain humidity during the dry months is to get a spray bottle like this and give it a little spritz every few days. Philodendrons will produce larger leaves and be healthier if you fertilise them regularly. Use slow-release fertilizer pellets at the beginning of the growing season. Simply mix some fertilizer pellets into the soil and water thoroughly. Or you can use a liquid fertilizer weekly if you'd like to. Just water and fertilise your philodendron every now and then and it will survive and thrive for years to come. Philodendrons are the perfect plant for beginners. They're easier to grow than they are to pronounce.